Back in early 2020, Cameron Crouch was investigated after criticizing the city publicly. The chair of Hamilton's LGBTQ Advisory Committee, a volunteer position, spoke on a radio show about issues discussed during committee meetings, but then also shared his personal opinions.
You have an official role as a chair of the LGBTQ Advisory Committee. It's important that when you're stating your personal opinions, you say so, and I did. But I think if we're going to be recruiting people onto committees who we say, look, let's just have you completely disavow your personal thoughts from the work you're doing, it misses the point.
The Integrity Commissioner found that publicly criticizing the city while heading a committee breaches the city's code of conduct. He also tweeted out a motion brought forward to council that expressed concerns about the lack of diversity in the appointment processes for the police board, as well as other staff hiring processes.
I didn't share any secret documents or anything that was confidential. I literally shared a motion that was on the public record at a public meeting.
The report says that Crouch posted an unredacted version of the document. Crouch denies this. The investigation proceeded and council made its decision to reprimand Crouch. They chose not to remove him as chair. His legal team filed for a judicial review.
Can and should the city of Hamilton be continuing to use the Integrity Commissioner to come after citizen volunteers? And our case is meant, hopefully, to prevent that from happening.
The judicial review was dismissed by the Superior Court, and Crouch was ordered to pay $15,000 within 30 days to pay for a small portion of the city's legal costs.
I'm concerned that the city is now going to use this to come after advisory committees. I mean, a lot of these committees represent people from equity-seeking groups, people who are going to be coming to city council sometimes with motions that go against the status quo. It's going to be hard for those individuals to speak their truth to city council and truth to power with this kind of cloud over them now of not knowing what they can and can't say.
In under a week, the community raised the $15,000 for Crouch.
Crouch says he will be stepping down as chair to give someone else a chance next year. He will remain on the committee and says he will not be discouraged.